Me mamoni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Debi asemo ameka ene se pe nkrofo asebe wo mo ye nyansafo a wo mo ben ho. Nkrofo a wo mo ye oferefo no wo mo nye nkrofo mo ye nyansafo. Na asemba wo mo tumi abem akenbi amaw. Asembe na meka. We all know what's going on between Kennedy Japan and other pastors. Now, I have a problem. But that problem, I'll not address it in this video. My next video may address it. I have a problem, a very huge problem, because okay, I'll address it in another video. Now, me mama tiasie. Eya na nkrofo bisa, Kennedy Japan, aden na obi nimpe na oye ne sa obofo nso yesei, aden na obi nimpe. Even Kennedy Japan embra wo ba bonten ebe reveal enyama bia ensofo bi boni bia wo mo edi no. Indirectly Kennedy Japan jabbed obofo, because emra na Kennedy Japan what they sa red oil blue oil wo be ye ni demonstration e wo live TV so expose eye nakwa Isaac what they vena water wo nankasa de nimfo ni etwa ho ni na no wo sanso kasa about money perfume and abeifonku. Na sa money perfume and abeifonku no Reverend Obofo and a woye. Na nini name no still Reverend Obofo wonye na adwen say wo kaseti Kennedy Japan. But you before Frank Reverend Obofo be kaseti no. Na denti America say eya yempe nyansafo around and say nanka Kennedy Japan wo beba bonti abe attack Reverend Obofo de dada. But Reverend Obofo e won profi be around him. Asem see anu waka say hey yes raw, because those same people are from the camp of Kennedy Japan. Inti ebia na Reverend Obofo na adwimo say wo be reply to Kennedy Japan. Ubo se na nkofo na atuni for say hey Kennedy Japan they don't go. O de oka asema fa ho bia na yekom. Na ya me kasa na nkofo fi say o dabi Kennedy Japan na nkasa na onpese obe attack Reverend Obofo. Finally Kennedy Japan wa ba bonten abeka de nti a wo attack Reverend Obofo. Na semo a wo ka ene say Reverend Obofo you be a wo yenyanseni pa. And this is not Kennedy Japan is not the only one saying that. So obekaya enduru 1 week Captain Smart etina Kofi TV. Na me the story in Ebrem, this story in Ebrem go can say oh Captain Smart or cancer just because he gains something from Reverend Obofo. Inti Kennedy Japan waka sa na no so mo beka so gini bibi from Reverend Obofo ana. Captain Smart beka wa bonte say wono de whether Reverend Obofo is a fake pastor or not no, or no Captain Smart won to me kan. Oye nyankopon na beka. Wono de wonim e no beka na de wonim ne say Reverend Obofo you bi a wo yanyanseni na woni ne tena one room a na bon say ne kre wo yanyanseni. Aside Reverend Obofo videos e go viral e bia wo ye nyama bia e outrageous no. Some of the videos who say and I what to say wo tufu a obe hu ne say ne kre nyankopon e de nyanse isra no. Wakwa say Stone Boy so ne tena se na wo ne kasa na wutie na obe hu say interna osofo Iswood Anaba wo tie Stone Boy o ka say abrantie nyankopon e de nyansa ato ne trim. Inti Reverend Obofo de sa na de enti a Kennedy Japan e ka say Reverend Obofo wo ye benyanseni no ene say Reverend Obofo knew say wo nim no ba bonten inti Kennedy Japan so wo sheda e no okokan Reverend Obofo. Kennedy Japan wo so wo sheda no kan Reverend Obofo na wo pese Reverend Obofo enso ebe to be ma wo no Kennedy Japan na nka wo taking over from Obinim. What was I say fi Bedukobi into from Bedukobi to Obinim to Reverend Obofo no dey ko. But Reverend Obofo oyenyanseni na wo nyansenti de wo ye me mamoti ase. Say Reverend Obofo's camp start with Kennedy Japan's camp and explain things. Into nini na ka na Kennedy Japan na can say Reverend Obofo yenyanseni no. Yes. Yebu baby said the info bu baby said eye said in prayers wo bema wo balls no se entontom eba begina so a that is when you know say enye bibia ene wo say wo de takashi ana enoden e solve it. And Reverend, this thing Reverend Obofo has done is actually a meaning of that ebeno. It's an example of that ebeno. And that is the mistake I keep telling you, say Obinim did. And then Obinim nyaya na connect in Japan atenase as of bibia, because yes, he's being stressed. That's the mistake he did. Reverend Obofo who said Abi Kennedy Japan ye penny. Say what they walk can family hono say ye ntro krana. I don't have to come out and attack him. Nti ye hono sebe ye say entuntum obema ntuntum begina sebe wo boss so a sebe mpedi asa wo hwe wamba so a e ho na hu ne say enye bibia na ye no enoden so. So let's go and listen to Kennedy Japan in some wa kan ye e fa Reverend Obofo ho. And then Kennedy Japan kasa wa Asempa FM with Obi. And then Obi nso bisa ne say dabi ba say o yes enye right because nipa ko ne di bone enye say nipa ko ne be ka wansa we di bone a we di bone you know. Let's go and listen to it and then let's listen to the explanation Kennedy Japan give thereafter.
Reverend Obofo ono so omeka unti
Reverend Obofo omeka me kura me kan but wan kasa we benyansafo me ko na me no me ko last year te panyina yi tini o days nso ne atwa vice president
yes
is you to na mu say young man
Asempa FM
kofo bufaso and I'm say when na omu bufaso no na omu otieti omu so ko
hey
and I'm say what who is this and omu catch am say Obofo and I'm say Obofo nso no I'm say o so for check us near yi baby o baby o show I'm so I see Timi buy no Monday program and I'm doing it too so Sam ko shia obi ya so Obofo bi a onu wo check us near no tietie ni paso near he didn't utter a word I just
and you will not dig him
me
until say what utter word answer
and but just say me wo obi adosia wo
Ekusi saying on Asempa FM
na kam kese a
but that should not be it and what say nipali di amount for bonia you are waiting for the person to come and say something against you
my general yam obi enra dia me ye say na general Obofo wo kono a ono no yusu money perfume opambo ene yusu
eburam nsuo
odiase sa two boys ni asofo bebre omusu Yesu moja
sobolo a omudi nsuo afra
enkuto eye medicinal enye wo mu na eye first kumase me nsam bu ene yeso wo nta pi atama me
Asempa FM
enkuto ene nsuo hire tawo odi nsuo hire no twetwe me nsa na wo wi a odi nkuto no twe me nsa no na ko twem si anaje go si
atoaso eno no
say unya cold na di nkuto kura sra ohwena no se ya ubon senche na o
yeah
ohumi
yeah
enti empire ben ana okoto nkuto na me fa bi di be example
Ekusi saying on Asempa FM
now time will be 100 Ghana oh Ghana for mesrem enti uhia eniama mbubo enyina na it goes against asofofo no a omuye fake the latest year last week Saturday or Friday night minya two young asofofo bi omba me nchen tema bo mu din said they are the next ti omo na me simi hia wo mu
Ekusi saying on
Asempa
FM
become say
ko hia wo mu
mama hia wo I invited them no mo te baby e twen say na mom kwa so mra mbaya young boys back with the 31 back with the 40 na fe no omo ne me kasa omo ye free tie ne see how God works through me asamwa ne nti aboy ne back we ba me nchen bazooka o see mi bo ni din na osuro ensem bi nti oba no abepa mecho but Oshia me amene ne kasa atu no fu no. Okono. Oka James honorable ade enkura me giant bomidin. Ya. Oso kwa nsem na ya ka kire opa bomidin. On the first no so na osuro kura se mebo ne din. Mo ba MT na se me tu no fu. Young boy 31. Na me ka just cratchy. So when nyai se adwuma no a fa apraku my daughter etu hufu